course, straight away, Kwasa and Kotoko Pando as we speak now. The information I'm getting is that players know having a teamwork hotel say about Akubezi na Kotoko probable starting lineup now or the be facey team my friend Heart of Lions and net area no Mesa Aka no Super 24 TV no so but I remember the dynamics, the changes from the last game a course no no ewa ha be Asia wa ha yankai ho ze enra the league leaders are friend media ma ekolusu against Nations FC, so it comes as a big advantage for Kumasi Asante Kotoko to win this particular game, or else Enyadia Yebetwe Ama Kotoko for crown. It will be unaccepted for Kumasi Asante Kotoko not to pick a point in this particular game. Yes, a bad day for Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporters to accept without getting a point in this particular game. Yes, no credit ever Kumasi Asante Kotoko so the league now away games no also winning. Now winning ye yes, because Bidiama could lose, and it is the right time. Wouldn't time for or better drop points. Until this time around, now Bidiama drop points. No, we take the full advantage of it. All I'm praying and wishing for is that and then Kotokobenya good officiating. Sakotokunda good officiating now. The last game, man, you hear our Baba Yara Sports Stadium against Basaki Holy Stars. Kwame Poku Airtwatna, Abet Amwa Airtwatna. Now Samba Ona also able first goal. No. We are going to see a consistent performance with the last game at Kotoko, a boy against Basaki Holy Stars. Without much I do 20-man squad no but the Asia but before that, Mr. Unsubscribe and one hit the rest subscribe button so now what man is one man now build it together. Information we are seeing that topic now I was say the bro subscribe it. Now join the Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 7260. Kotoko reaction no 0247 10 7260. So we join here na ye di kasubom no together. You go so edge aboafo, me kan aboafo in the form of sponsorship. Oh, we get the hu no maybe now per say ye bo hu dawro ma wa WhatsApp ye bo hu dawro, TikTok ye bo hu dawro, Facebook ye bo hu dawro. And this particular big platform, YouTube also, you can get in touch with me on my number 0247 10 7260. And also you're picking up from there. Obefa uni dwedi hu bi uni ade bi a obebo hu de kra na opese obe sponsor ya afi djuma pese di no edoso nti wadarma WhatsApp me de obetimi ayama edjuma die no ye de aba da ne da nyina no. We are going to be highly appreciative of it. Intimation yenkonesa pepepe na yenfa enanti. Now without much I do, I got 20-man squad at Kotoko at the travel call Pando and Rano and Ram and a Kotoko drink Kotoko die Kotoko Bokao. Unim said teams do one a day now Mobobono. Saturday now no moko but Kotoko no or qua we be a Udika Kodao or Koda and Rana Kotoko die and I no pay or my heavy breakfast. Jomu hotel wa mojojo mahunti bobe 12 and I'm told say maybe 2 or 3 hotel or normally or many actually at the stadium after having 12:30 I say 12:30 or more have a lunch we are now on 2 now by 1 day no do team baby a venue hono by 1 no do venue or na for the match inspections need be no underway. After that warm up the normal service dressing room by 3:30 normal p about park no so no in shisha ya Tiba Kotoko ede elko no strikers ni Abet Amwa the returnee eka ho ena Dogo Yakubu eka ho, of course Donzu enso eka ho ena Kwame Poku enso eka ho. These the strikers ena ya wo the wingers no so Johnson Usu eka ho, Wale name of Hussein eka ho, Inusa Adams ka ho, Saka Dauda enso part of the wingers ena Peter Midu Akwa enso eka ho. These are the wingers. Now through and through midfielders no the champion Prince Bedu part and Jau part and Seth Kwedu part of the central midfielders no ɛna defenders no so say ɛna ɛkɔyɛyɛ Emmanuel Kote a part of the squad, and of course Samba Ono is also part of the squad, and Joseph Amwa a part of the squad, and Hamzata a part of the squad, Henry Ansu a part of the squad, and Zakaria Fuseni is also part of the squad. So these are the defenders, and the goalkeepers also. You can just guess for yourself. Aziz Aruna Dari and then Kamara Mohammed are the goalkeepers for your day. And also the now this is the 20-man squad at Kotoko Rem against Pando Heart of Lions and then now the probable starting 11 see and acquire Tembiano Mixia Hana and Tiasifi. We relate you to the last game, my boy. The amount the current probable lineup at Barcelona. The last lineup at Kotoko the boy and Obonisi. Kamara ended up pulling against Basaki na make. Kamara ended up pulling and Lodamwa a ball. Squad made the bar no Mambo Lodamwa can home. Even those of Piquet injury, but Okaho did not count Lodamwa at a ball 2 and Joseph Amwa a ball 3 and Henry Ansu and Samba on their ball 4 and 5. And in front of them, your ball Badu, which is Prince Badu, and Afi in the interior offensive midfield or ball Hubert Joe, and on the right side, or ball Saka Dauda, on the left side, or ball Peter Midwakwa, and strikers, or ball Dugu, and then Dunzu, or ball Dugu, and Dunzu. In the second half, and Omar Kwame Puku ene Abetamwa Ebemu are also a bit feature kakra. Now this is the probable starting lineup and Nediano Obeyano. And Nediano, there's not going to be too much difference. Kamara Beda Pulum as Kamara Beda Pulum 2 ono ena the only tenor 50-50. One ha Emmanuel Kote be started, one ha Lord Amwa ebe started. 4 and 5 and it's going to be the usual Samba Onel and Henry Ansu. Now I'm totally praised by do Ejino Manim. Now Saka Dauda on the right side of the wing, Ejina on the Peter Midwakwa, Ejina on the right, on the left side. Now Afi on the offensive midfield also Hubert Joe Ebeboho. Now Wohu player a friend. On the up front, Ubetimi Donzo Dogo Abet Amwa. These are the touted 3 to start, but 2. These are the touted from this 3. No, best started Dogo, Donzo, and Abet Amwa. Yes, Ubeyimu 2. Lord, they are starting. So this is the ideal starting 11 at Kowasa Sante Kotoko. It is not going to be too much different from Basaki Holy Stars. There, it's a difference. Beba na a 2 hono Abet. Lord Amwa injury or PK, later on, almost say any serious, but injury terrier no aboni panel rest. I know now I could bit men and start, and I say, sir, I want to also a Lord Nabebo, and only difference like Crabia and a BPM, and I attack on also small changes a bit maba.